80 cents out of every dollar that you spend on advertising goes towards your headline. And that's because 5 times as many people read your headline as they do the body text. This is what David Ogilvy said, who was the father of advertising in the 1900s. And this stresses the importance of a good headline. Hi guys, my name is Ivan, and in this video I want to show you how to write effective Google Ads headlines so that you can make the most out of your budget and get as many conversions as possible. I have been making money online with affiliate marketing and Google Ads for the past 7 years, and I want to show you guys how you can do the same and start making money online with Google. Also, make sure to stay through to the end of the video because I will be throwing out tips and golden nuggets of information throughout the video that you don't want to miss. That said, let's get straight into it. How do you write an effective Google Ads headline? Well, the first thing you want to do is ask yourself what service or product are you offering, what it is that you're doing. So in my case here, for example, I am promoting my website, ivanmena.com, where I offer training courses as well as a free affiliate marketing guide showing people how to make money online. So for our headline, what we can do is we can say exactly that, what we're doing. So we're gonna delete these default headlines here that Google has made, and we're going to tell people exactly what it is we're offering. So let's say affiliate marketing guide. What you also want to try to do is use a keyword as part of your headline, because that way not only will Google see your ad as more relevant, but your ad will actually be more relevant because you're giving people exactly what they're typing for, exactly what they're looking for, right? So in this case, I could say affiliate marketing guide or learn how to make money online. Now, you also don't have to always only make it in the form of a statement. You can make it in the form of a question as well, which makes the person curious, right? Makes the person ask that question and answer it inside their head. So instead of saying learn how to make money online, I could say something, for example, like want to make money online. And then people are going to read this question, read this ad, and try to answer it in their head, which is going to make them likely to click the ad as well. So you can do that. Now, things aren't that simple, right? You guys are also going against competition. You're not the only provider of your service or product out there. So what you also want to do is look at your competition and see how they differentiate themselves so that you too can differentiate yourself. So if you're promoting a weight loss pill, for example, you can take a look and see what your competitors are doing. Is your pill the fastest acting? Or maybe your pill doesn't require diet change or an exercise change. So if you're promoting a weight loss pill, that's super quick, the fastest. You can say fastest weight loss pill. Or as I will go over in more detail later on, you want to be more specific. So say something like 2-day weight loss pill, 2-day results, for example, weight loss pill, something like that. This is where you could also handle objections. So for example, in the make money online niche, there are a lot of scams, or in the diet, in the health niche, lots of scams as well. So you can find a way to address that. So for example, if you have successful students, you can say, let's say 500 successful students. Boom. Right away, this shows that it's not likely to be a scam because of the successful students. Or you could have a testimonial or a review. So look at your reviews, find one that you like the most. And for example, for my offer, like I said, I'm selling some training courses, including a Google Ads course. You could say this is a great course, for example. You put that in quotation marks, right? So people know that it's a review. And let me remove this weight loss pill. That was just an example. We're not selling pills. Over here, this is an example of what your ad could look like. This is a great course, affiliate marketing guide, right? And again, this puts people a little bit at ease to make them think that, hey, this probably isn't a scam. This is where your research comes in to figure out your niche, to figure out your competitors and see what it is that you can write that really separates yourself out and that puts people's objections at ease or answers their objections. Now, another tip here that I want to give is don't be smart. Don't try to come up with very fancy, very clever headlines. Guys, keep it short, sweet, and simple. That's what you want to do. If you look at the top marketers now, you look at the top brands, you look at their headlines, they're very short, simple, straight to the point. Look at Neil Patel's, who's a popular marketer today. Look at his headline. Do you want more traffic? That's his headline, guys, on his website. Google Ads, website, Microsoft Ads, Facebook, doesn't matter. Headline's a headline. The same concept applies of what I'm showing you here for every other piece of marketing there is. Now, another tip here is to avoid subjective words. Don't say things like number one or the best or the amazing or, incredible. Things like that, they're very subjective. always, 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 if you are number one, try to use proof or be more specific. Number one where? Number one who? Be more specific, have claims to back it up. Don't say things like number one course on Google Ads. Just don't say that. That's just so subjective. Everybody could be number one. How am I number one course? Did I get certified from the US government or what? Why are you the number one? Or, amazing, I see this a lot, amazing service. Like, what does that mean? What is amazing service? Is it 24/7 service? Because that would be amazing for me. Is it that you guys have a money back guarantee? Is it that you guys come within 2 hours? You guys come within 1 hour when I need it? That would be amazing service for me. Now, one thing I did forget to mention is as part of your competitor research, doing research, on your competitors, seeing how they stand out, if you offer something for free, definitely use that, guys. People love free stuff. So my guide is free. So definitely say free, for example, affiliate marketing guide. Well, actually, let's just put that right here. Okay, so if you're offering something for free, a free consultation, a free sample, a free guide, a free video, say that. People love, love, love free stuff. Now, for all these different ideas that I gave to you, testimonials, questions, how you're different from competition, make sure that whatever you guys put in your headline matches your landing page, okay? The last thing you want is to say something like money back guarantee and not have that anywhere on your page. Another thing you always want to do in your ads is include a call to action. So get started now, learn more, see video here. You can't use click here with Google Ads, but with Microsoft Ads you can. For example, you can say click here, that's fine. But basically a call to action, get started now, sign up, learn more, visit now, buy now, order now, things like that. So here I could say get your affiliate marketing guide. That's too big. So I'm going to say get your affiliate guide, for example. So a call to action. You don't want to do it for every single headline. So here with Google Ads, you see we have some ad variations and we can pin. So we can say this one I want to be in position 1, this one I want to be in position 2. But you do want to include a call to action definitely in one of the headlines, because if you don't tell people to do something, they're not going to do it. Get your affiliate guide, sign up now, check out my courses, okay? Something like that. You can do that. That is a call to action, prompting them to click on your ad. Now, before I go over the small and technical bits of a headline, I would like to stress and talk about something important, and that is the difference between features and benefits. So I know that it's very common in online marketing in general to focus on the benefits of a product. What is it exactly that you want to benefit someone with? If it's a how to make money online product, the benefit is freedom, right? Being able to travel the world, having lots of money. That's the benefit, not that they're gonna learn how to make money online, they're gonna learn Google Ads. That's a feature. The general thing that you're told to do is to always focus on the benefits. However, there is a caveat to that. If you are targeting people more so near the top of the funnel, people that aren't yet sure of exactly what their solution is, let's suppose you're selling a vacuum cleaner and people are typing in, how do I clean this mess on the floor? Or something like that, you can then use these benefits. Hey, vacuum cleaner, make your house look spectacular, make your house look amazing. However, if people are already familiar with what they need, so things like that, right? People are more so near the bottom of the funnel, they know what they're looking for. You don't want to use the benefits, okay? Somebody that's typing in and looking for, hey, is this vacuum cleaner brand good for me? Will it do what I want? You don't want to say, hey, this vacuum cleaner will make your house look sparkling clean, because people already know that, okay? They're at the bottom of the funnel. They're looking for exact features, not benefits. So what you do want to do in these cases is show people, hey, how exactly is this vacuum cleaner different than your competitors? Well, it has a battery life of over 5 hours. It has a recharge time of 2 minutes. It's very small, very easy to use, whatever. That is when you want to use features, guys. So you don't always want to use benefits. So I just wanted to stress this because it's considered taboo in your marketing to write out the features. However, that's not always the case. As I just mentioned, it does depend on who you are targeting, okay? Remember the marketing funnel. So that being said, I did want to go over a few more smaller parts of a headline, more technical bits. For example, that you want to always double check and triple check your spelling. Guys, it's extremely important. As I mentioned, and as David Ogilvy mentioned, 5 times as many people see your headline than your body text. And people will glance over it. So guess what? If they see some mistakes, if they see some spelling errors, what's the first thing that shows up in their mind? Unprofessional, right? Unprofessional, maybe a scam, doesn't look good. Why would I trust these guys if they can't even spell correctly? Now, another thing I would suggest you do to draw attention to make your ads stand out a little bit more is to title case, okay? So make your ads, title case means the first letter of every word is capitalized. So if you head over to Google and you look up at some examples here, let's look at best weight loss solution. Let's look at some ads here. You will see that most of them are title case, right? So this one's sponsored. We just see one ad here and it just gets more attention, okay? So if you title case, it just, if you think about it from a very logical point of view, the letter is a little bit bigger. It takes up a little bit more space, okay? And that's what you want to do. Better yet, if you can use numbers or special characters, do that as well, because look at this page, guys. Look at this page, right? Which of these texts, now these aren't ads, but which of these headlines stand out to you the fastest, draw your attention the fastest? It's these ones, to me at least, the ones with the numbers, right? Immediately my eyes go over to the number to see what the number is. Use numbers, use special characters if you can, you know, a dollar sign rather than typing out dollar, or an ampersand, right? The ampersand rather than saying and. So do that. It just makes your headlines stand out a little bit more. Now, the other thing you guys can do is, as I covered in one of my previous videos, is use dynamic keyword insertion. And this just makes it so that the headline, whatever somebody types in, whatever search term somebody types in that triggers your specific keyword, that's the keyword that's going to show up. And you can do that using squiggly brackets and selecting keyword insertion here. So select that. You can write the default text, for example, make money online, make it title case as per my suggestion, click on apply. So now if I have 20 keywords in my campaign and somebody types something in that triggers one of those keywords, that's the keyword that's going to show up here in my ad, okay? So something that can make your ad more relevant in Google's eyes and in the eyes of your customers. You guys also want to make sure that you use as much space as possible because, well, it's going to take up more space. It's going to make your ad more visible. So if you have here 30 characters, try to use the full 30 characters. It's really not a lot, okay? So even Neil Patel's super short headline, even this, do you want more traffic, is already 25 characters, guys. And that is it for the most part. If you guys have no idea where to start, you know what you're offering, you know your service, but you're just completely lost, I do suggest you go on Google and you just look at your competitors, guys. Just see what they're doing. So I don't know, let's say make money online. Make sure you guys look for the sponsored ads, okay? Because those are the actual ads. So sponsored like these. So take a look and see what people are doing. So here, as you can see, they're using the numbers and the symbols very well here. They're using title case. So take the idea of your competitors, don't steal them, don't copy paste exactly what they're doing, but you can take a look at the idea. So the idea here is A, using numbers, B, how much are you gonna make exactly? So in my case, right, if I'm promoting how to make money online guide or courses, for example, what I could probably do is say how much people are expected to make per day. So I'm not gonna copy this word for word, but I will include something about how much can you expect to make. That's the idea, okay? So if you have no idea where to start, you can start there. Another good starting point is just start with your keyword. Just say what it is exactly you're offering. Are you offering a affiliate marketing guide? Just say that in the headline. Okay, also a good starting point. We'll make it relevant for Google. We'll make it relevant for the people without it being too smart, too complicated. It will be a good default headline, all right? Without much research needed on your part. And that is all for this video. I hope you guys found value and you learned a lot about how to write an effective Google Ads headline. If you enjoyed this content, I do invite you to check out my website at ivanmana.com, where I do indeed offer a free affiliate marketing guide, and I offer training courses which go into very thorough detail on how to make money online and build profitable campaigns with any of these different traffic sources like Google Ads, Facebook ads, Microsoft ads, course on conversion tracking, things like that. That being said, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.